Hello guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Lettucesaurus. Today we're going to be trying a different makeup aesthetic, and we're going to be trying Douyin. I'm butchering this word right here. And we're going to be kind of taking inspiration from these pictures that I saw on Pinterest, and I'm super scared, but let's go. Starting off, we're gonna put on some primer. Make sure you rub that all over your face. I'm only gonna put a couple dots of foundation on my face. I want very light coverage. And with a wet makeup sponge, I'm just going to blend that in. All right, I don't think any of these pictures are wearing concealer, but I'm gonna take just like a teensy bit and just put it right here. And I'm blending that out with a wet makeup sponge. Right, taking just a little bit of powdered bronzer. I'm just gonna kind of follow my cheekbone. And for the nose, it looks like they just go straight down. I'm about to look like I have a Squidward nose. So I'm taking some powder contour and I'm just patting that down my nose and into my eyebrow, under the nose and up the other side. This is not the shape for me, but it's okay. It's okay.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Oh, goodness. All right, I'm gonna take some blush and I'm gonna put that from here all the way across my nose. And just gonna blend it out a bit. Make sure it gets nice and under my eyes. Kind of over here in the temple too. Okay, it was looking a little extra in the camera. Fix that. We fixed that. This is how it really looks. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit more light concealer in the inner corner here because I want it to be really light, so that the glitter really stands out. And I'm just gonna tap it. I don't really want to move it much. All right, I'm gonna go in with this like pinky brownie nude color, and I'm gonna see that that doesn't look like anything on my skin. You cannot really tell that I have put that on. Actually, let's see. Yeah, that, you can barely tell. It's fine. So I'm just gonna blend that kind of all over my lid here, under my eye. You can't really tell. Like, you can tell, but it's like barely there. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of this sparkly pink and brush it from the inner corner over my lid. You know, I was expecting this to be a little harder. It's not that hard. So far, knock on wood. The thing that I think I'm gonna mess up the most is that like under eye crease. That I think I'm gonna mess up. I do not think that this is sparkly enough. I'm like rubbing it under my eye now. I think my under eyes are a little too crinkly for this. A little too crinkly, a little too crinkly. Look at them. They're so crinkly. Okay, I'm gonna take like a light-ish brown. Actually, taking like a lightish brown. I don't know if this is gonna show up. I might need to go darker, but we'll see. On an angled brush. And yeah, I feel like this shadow right here is kind of where I want to go. If I make this face, this squinty face. Yeah. I'm gonna kind of follow that line here. Okay. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with that. It's like here, right? Yeah. Okay, then I'm also gonna put it like right against my waterline, but not in my waterline. just like at the very end here to like the middle. I look crazy. Oh God, we're trusting the process. It's the best of my ability. Do I also need like just a little bit on the, yeah, just like a little bit on the inner corner. Just a little smidge. I think I also want to add like a little bit of brown here. Just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that glittery pink. Right, I'm just gonna put a teeny tiny bit of eyeliner on. However, this is magnetic eyeliner because I'm gonna try to use my magnetic eyelashes because all of my eyelashes are kind of extra bougie except for my magnetic ones. So I also need to put enough on for the lashes. Okay, let's make it not touch that crease, but go up. I just made it a little too thick by accident. It might be okay. It might be fine. I feel like I need like more glitter though. Okay, this one's messed up, but we're just gonna ignore it. We're gonna ignore it. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more glitter, but like just glitter, not the sparkly eyeshadow. Oh, wow. The eyeliner was not dry on that line. Ooh. Am I making it worse? Yes. Okay, it's like a little smudgy. We're fine. I'm just gonna add a couple extra lines to my brow. Okay, I'm gonna darken these lashes with some super cheap mascara. Then I'm gonna plop on these lashes. I actually also almost forgot that I got to highlight the nose. I think I might be a little too pink. I'm gonna try a little powder and see if I can lighten up some areas. All right, so we're gonna try to lighten up kind of down that's too much powder. That's too much powder. Anyway, we'll lighten here. And just across. A little better. Also lighten here. Just underneath the eye. I am almost forgetting the lip. For the lips, it looks like they kind of like accentuate here. Kind of have this little like upturn. Oops. Right here. And then they line the bottom. Okay. Gonna add that. Because it looks a little smudged. Well, it's really hard to do with this lip ring. Smudge it. Ooh. Alright, then taking a little bit of pink on the inside. I'm gonna kind of highlight here. And then I'm gonna gloss. Okay, so out of all of the ones that I've attempted so far, I think that this is my biggest fail. Like, no, it doesn't look bad. It does look adorable. It's pretty cute, but I don't think it looks very that makeup look. The Douyin, fuck my life. I mean, F my life. I don't know how to say it. It looks kind of like my soft girl look. Yeah, it's not very this. It's not very this. I still hope that you had fun watching. I hope that you took some things away on what not to do. Let me know if you try this makeup look though, and let me know if there's any other makeup you want me to try, makeup aesthetic, and see me maybe possibly fail as bad as I did here.
Oh my god, I almost died.
But don't forget to follow me on any of my socials. They're all down in the little description, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.